Writing a compound inequality given a graph on the number line. Write a compound inequality for the graph shown below. Use x for your variable. Now, based on the way they have this shaded, we see that x can be any of these things over here or any of these things over here. Now, sometimes we have an and compound inequality and sometimes we have an or compound inequality. So I have to ask myself, can x be negative 7 and be positive 7? According to how this is shaded, it's not. It's either less than 3 or bigger than 5, but it can't be both. So we know we're going to have an or inequality. So we'll just look at each of these pieces at a time. Here we see that x is less than, because these numbers that are shaded are smaller than negative 3. So x is less than negative 3. However, because we see that this is a closed dot, we know x can also be equal to negative 3. So this inequality describes this half. And we know x is less than or equal to negative 3 or this. Here I see the number that I'm dealing with is 5, so I'm going to have an x and a 5. I see that the numbers greater than 5 are shaded, so x is going to be greater than 5. But because this is an open circle, it cannot be equal to. So what I'll type into Alex is something like this. X is less than or equal to negative 3 or x is greater than 5. It can be this one or it can be this one, but it can't possibly be both at the same time.